Are you tired of fighting cravings? Discover how a single supplement can transform your appetite control and effectively aid weight loss. In a world full of temptations and restrictive diets, many people struggle to control their appetite and maintain a healthy weight. If you feel stuck in this battle, we have the perfect solution for you: Crave Burner. This innovative dietary supplement combines natural ingredients that not only help reduce hunger but also boost your metabolism. Let's explore how this formula can be the key to your weight loss journey. Crave Burner is more than just a supplement, it is a true ally in the quest for a healthier life. Its unique formula, composed of 7 powerful ingredients, works on several levels. Appetite control: the carefully selected ingredients work to reduce your cravings, making it easier to resist daily temptations. Accelerates metabolism: increases fat burning and helps your body eliminate excess weight more efficiently. Greater satiety: feel fuller for longer, which can minimize binge eating. Digestive comfort: with its special blend, Crave Burner also promotes a healthier digestive system, essential for those who want to lose weight. Blood sugar stability: helps keep glucose levels stable, avoiding spikes that can lead to hunger. If you are struggling to maintain your ideal weight or want to regain the slim figure you once had, Crave Burner is the perfect solution for you. Break free from the endless cycle of frustrating weight loss attempts. With Crave Burner, you won't just reach your weight goals, you'll enjoy a more balanced and healthy life. This supplement is the answer many have found to seemingly insurmountable challenges. To better understand how Crave Burner can transform your life, watch our exclusive video, where we share inspiring stories from those who have already made the change. Don't waste any more time fighting the urge to eat. Try Crave Burner right now and start your transformation. Click on the link below and take advantage of our special offer. Your new life starts here. Get your Crave Burner now.